Just a few hours, lawmakers in Tallahassee, they're going to meet for that special legislative session trying to fix Florida's mess of a property insurance crisis.
A lot of people looking forward to it. Many of you, the cost of coverage has skyrocketed. Mike, you've covered it a lot, I'm sure.
Big time.
And many of the private insurance companies, they've left the state.
People want to know when they can get a break. WPTV's Derek Lowe live this morning in downtown Stuart, breaking down what this week can mean for you and your bottom line.
Good morning, guys, and with this special legislative session, Florida insurance companies could soon be able to buy back up to $1 billion in reinsurance coverage, which, if you think about it, is really like insurance for the insurance companies. Now, that money, lawmakers say, would come from a taxpayer-funded account, and that means that it could mean some relief for these private insurers, and it also could lead to a decrease in the number of policies for the states-run Citizens Property Insurance. Now, so far, just since the beginning of this year, Citizens Property Insurance has seen a 48% increase in the number of policies from 760,000 all the way up to 1.13 million. Insurance rates have jumped 33% according to the Insurance Information Institute. 6 companies, private companies, have failed. Another 24 are currently on a watch list, and that's all because of frivolous claims.
Private companies are either not writing policies anymore, they're restricting their policies, or they're limiting, where they write policies across the state. So most of those policyholders are coming to Citizens.
Yeah, that special session expected to kick off here in just a few hours and will go until Friday. Lawmakers will have until midnight on the 16th to pass any legislation. We're live in downtown Stuart this morning. I'm Derek Lowe. Back to you.
Okay, thank you, Derek. So one change being made to Citizens, it would boot anyone who can find a private carrier within 20% of the premium they pay for Citizens.
Another requires all Citizens policyholders to have flood insurance. The GOP majority has promised the changes they'll stabilize things, bringing in more private competition and eventually easing prices.
That's the key about private companies coming and opening up shop. Haven't really seen that. Democrats concerned improvement won't come soon enough, especially for you out there paying that yearly premium.
So I don't think that we can really afford to wait. Honestly, Floridians can't afford for us to wait.
We're already seeing people leaving, businesses delaying construction, which means delayed jobs. When it reaches this point, the legislature being called into session means they cannot go home without doing something.
Last week, House Dems laid out their goals and filed their own reform bill Sunday. It creates an insurance commission, an elected insurance regulator, caps or limits on premiums, and restricts an insurer's ability to claim insolvency. 2 other bills lawmakers will take up are aimed at helping hurricane victims and the creation of a toll credit program for Florida's frequent commuters.